out and shut your water off entirely.
Yes, yes.
And then you have no water flush toilets or do anything.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, yes.
the other option next, if AT&T doesn't call, is to call a plumber,
Yeah, yeah.
collect all the bills, and turn
Yes,
them into
yes.
AT&T when it's done.
Yes, yes.
But
So
at
did
least that gets your water.
Yes.
And provides you with water because you can't live without water.
Yeah, exactly. I'm actually going to be out of town. I'm flying out tomorrow morning, but I've already started the process of like contacting AT&T. The city, I think, might have an emergency service.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, when they come out
They
and they.
they can't touch
Oh,
what's on your property,
But they can do that, right?
but they can shut the
but they
meter
can.
off. But
Okay.
that shuts off. So you each have one meter. So if you shut off your meter
Okay.
and you're okay with that, that's fine.
Yeah.
You just want to make sure you're here when they're here, so don't shut off your meter.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
You're saying they might accidentally turn off Bob's meter.
You
Who
can't
knows?
see anything in there.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So I'll be here.
Okay.
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 I've got to take my dog to the appointment tomorrow over on Palmer Lane, but not till
Okay.
9:30. So I can make arrangements to be here.